Everybody keeps saying the same thing. There's no free AI video generator that can go past 5 to 8 seconds. But today, I'm about to prove all of that wrong. Because meta.ai has a hidden animation feature that lets you turn one Pixar-style image into a long, smooth, continuous animated scene without looping, without editing tricks, and without paying a single dollar. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Creating the Pixar avatar. First, we're not using the Meta.ai app. We're using Meta.ai inside the browser because the browser version gives us better control, more aspect ratios, and cleaner 3D outputs. Open your browser and type meta.ai. Tap New Chat, then tap Create. Step 1. Set the aspect ratio. Before generating anything, tap the ratio button and set it to 16:9. This is important. It's what gives us that wide Pixar cinematic look. Step 2. Add the Pixar prompt. Now we need a Pixar-style character. You'll see the full prompt on your screen, but here's what it contains. A Pixar-style 3D character, soft cinematic lighting, big expressive Pixar eyes, smooth glossy skin, clean textures, natural pulls, high hand accuracy, and a 16:9 framing. Paste that Pixar prompt on your screen and click Generate. Meta will now give you 4 Pixar-style images. Regenerate until perfect. If the hands or face look strange, don't worry. This happens in Pixar renders. Just regenerate until you get clean hands, symmetrical fingers, a smooth facial expression, natural body posture, and keep generating until you get a clean Pixar character you love. Turning the image into animation. Now tap on the character you selected. Scroll down and tap Animate. Meta will give you a basic movement first, but we're not stopping there. Step 3. Use Custom Animate. You see the animation prompt on your screen, and here's what it contains. Smooth Pixar-style movement, natural facial expressions, subtle body motion, soft breathing, gentle hand gestures, eye contact, cinematic camera movement. This is what makes the animation look alive instead of stiff or robotic. Paste that animation prompt and tap Generate. Meta will now create a Pixar-style animated clip. Extending the clip, the secret feature. And this is the part nobody talks about. Step 4. Tap Extend Animation. Meta.ai quietly added a feature where you can extend your clip again and again and again. Every time you tap Extend Animation, the AI continues the scene automatically. The lighting stays the same, the colors stay the same, the character stays consistent, the motion stays fluid. It moves like it already understands what should happen next. Keep tapping Extend until your animation is as long as you need. 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even more. No looping, no reverse clips, no duplicated frames. This is real, continuous animation from one single image, making the Pixar character talk. Now open Dreamface. It's free. Tap Avatar, then Upload Video, and select the extended Meta.ai animation we just created. Step 5. Add voice. You can use a built-in Dreamface voice, your own recorded audio, or an imported script. Tap Want Avatar to Say and choose your option. Dreamface will now add lip movement and generate a talking Pixar animation. But we can make the lip sync even better. Advanced lip sync with Sync.so. Go to Sync.so in your browser, tap Create Project, upload your Pixar animation, upload your audio, and generate. Sync.so gives you better mouth shapes, more accurate vowels, more expressive facial movements, stronger Pixar-style exaggeration. The final result looks very clean and very premium. Ignore the watermark. You already know how to remove that. And that's how you turn one Pixar-style image into a long, smooth, cinematic animated video with natural movement, expressive gestures, and professional lip sync, all in Meta.ai, all from one single image, all completely free. If this training helped you unlock a new level of AI animation, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned because the next tutorial is going to be even crazier.